How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Lyft promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can head towards any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one. After you open it, you're gonna find tons of promo codes. You can see that $18 off, 50% off. You can scroll down and check out all the deals and coupons. If you're interested in any of the coupon code, click on the option of Show Coupon. I have selected $50 off coupon code. Likewise, here is the terms and condition of the coupon code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Now you can copy this coupon code. Now you can visit the website of Lyft, and whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this promo code right away, click on the option of Copy Coupon and Visit Store. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Lyft. Now log into your account. Now whenever you check out, you can apply this promo code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these websites. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 Lyft promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.